Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok logging problem Facebook. It will help you. Let's see how to fix it. Go to your phone setting and follow my steps. Scroll down. Now click on apps. Scroll down. Click on search bar. Search for TikTok. Click here. Now scroll down. Click on stores. Now tap on clear cache and now clear data. Now click on delete. Go back. Now click on permission and now click on all permission allow. Okay, now go back to home screen. Go to your Play Store app and update your TikTok. Search bar TikTok. Click here. Now TikTok update available. Now home screen. Go to your TikTok app, open and follow my next step. Choose what you like. Swipe up more. Now click on profile and click on continue with Facebook. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.